Hello, this is Dr. Baron Grutter, and in this series of videos, I'm going to go over the use of BlueSkyPlan Ortho in the version software 4.7.15. I'll make sure to put that in the title as well, just to make sure that we're on the same page. And I'm going to put together one video for each step in the process, essentially. So first of all, this is the opening screen, the new opening screen of the BlueSkyPlan software. It allows us to now pick whether we're going to go into surgical guides, orthodontics, crown and bridge, digital dentures, simply model editing, and then the cephalometric analysis. So a few of these are newer. The crown and bridge and the model editing are very much in active development. Ortho is constantly being updated, as is dentures, and surgical guide has been around for a while, once in a while updates, but this series of videos is going to focus on the orthodontics portion. Okay, so first, also down below, you can find a list of the projects you may have already started. A recent project will be listed, your top 5 most recent projects will be listed here, or you can click on here to open up a project you have already begun working on. Okay, so for this, we're going to go ahead and click on the Orthodontics panel, Orthodontics module, I mean. It's going to ask us, do we want to import models or import a patient CT scan? For those of you that want to truly see where the roots of the teeth will be within the bone of a CT scan, this is what you're going to want to do. Most users out there in most cases are not using that, but that is an advanced functionality that if you want, you can incorporate the CT scan. The CT will not move. It's just going to allow you to see, as you're moving teeth, will the roots still be within bone. So it's not a lot of advanced functionality from a user perspective. It's just going to allow you to see more information. So again, I'm going to skip that because it's not going to be practical for most people, and it only adds the step of adding a CT, which is easy enough. So I'm going to click on Import Models.